Hi everyone. Zendesk Themes from GrowthDot are a great solution for bumping up your Help Center's view and functionality. With pre-built Help Center themes, you will make your articles look clear and polished with article prettify tools. Set special alerts. Add navigation blocks. Tables of contents. As well as change the icons, colors, and fonts of the pages. What if you have a theme to upgrade the look of your Zendesk guide, but don't know how to add and activate it in your Help Center? Watch this video till the end to see the setup process. To install the theme, you need a downloaded zip file with a Zendesk theme you have already purchased. Then follow the stages. Select Zendesk Guide page to install the theme. To do it, find a Zendesk products icon in the upper right corner and choose Zendesk Guide. Then again in the upper right corner, select Guide Admin. Click on the Customize Design icon on the sidebar and click the Add Theme button on the right. Select the Import Theme option. Upload the zip archive which contains a particular theme. The theme will then appear in the Theme Library section. Click the Customize button to preview it. You can change some elements before activating the theme in your Zendesk Guide instance. Text colors, fonts, links, images, page elements, post elements, topic elements, search settings, etc. Click Help Center to check the theme's preview with your existing Help Center content. You can choose the specific page view in the drop-down menu at the top of the page. To switch between roles, click the Preview Role menu at the top bar panel. Previewing the theme as an agent, end user, or anonymous is useful if you have different types of content created for different types of users. You will see if all access restrictions work properly for each role. If you are ready to publish the theme, click on the Close Preview link. Then go back to the Guide Admin page. Click the three dots above the Customization button and select the Set as Live Theme option. After confirmation, the selected theme will automatically be displayed in the Live Themes section. Enjoy the result. Improve your Help Center with our ready-for-service themes, or choose a specially customized one that meets your demands. Before purchase, you can see the video overviews of Orhus theme and Odin's theme on our YouTube channel or follow the links in the description. GrowthDot is an official partner of Zendesk, so it is another reason to test our apps and services and subscribe to our YouTube channel.